So on this page, everybody's going to get set to register. While you're registering, man, I just wanted to share a little time with you and tell you about who I actually am. My name is Rick Charles. I am a Marine Corps veteran. I was actually down in Parris Island. You know what I mean? They don't have these books everywhere, but I was down in Parris Island serving the country. I had an opportunity to do Operation Iraqi Freedom. I had the opportunity to assist in the tsunami relief that actually happened in 2004. And I had an opportunity to serve there. I've been to like South Korea. I've been to Japan, Cali, all sorts of places. But Germany, I served in Operation Iraqi Freedom, like I said. So I had an opportunity to really do a lot. And like I said, my goal is to like walk you guys through each of these things. So if you have a church and you don't have a bunch of members, I'm going to talk to you and give you ideas on what you can do. And members is a key part in getting that low interest rate, that loan for your facility so you can serve the community. So I'm going to spend the time and talk to you and give you some insight. If you've never tried to buy a church, I'm going to walk you through what to expect and what happens when you actually go to buy a church. And I'm also going to provide contact information if you want to reach out to me and you want to get more guidance, or you want me to assist you in getting your loan. I have no problem. Number 3, for my owners who already own a building but they're paying high interest rate, I'm going to show you that you probably got your loan with somebody that just never did a church loan. And my goal is to help you go from a high interest rate to a low interest rate so you can serve your community better. So brokers, realtors, pay attention, man, because I'm going to share a lot of insight, a lot of secrets. If you're not doing it, you want to join me and all that good stuff, I'm going to make sure my contact information is available for you guys. And we can reach out. We can speak. Believe me, I'm not a celebrity. I'm just the guy that's out here serving. So with that being said, man, make sure you register, you prepped, you click the link below and hop in this webinar, because I promise you there's going to be a lot of information on this webinar that's going to change the way you look at your church. All right. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys. And once again, I'm going to just show you guys a little something. Once again, just check this out. Look at this. This is me, man. This is me. When I left Balance 13, Marine Corps Aviation Logistics Squadron. But I'm telling you guys, man, this is like boot camp right here. This is like boot camp. Like, look at this thing. Look at this. I haven't even opened this up, man. I want to show you guys this. This boot camp, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All those guys. Look at this. Those are all these Marine Corps warriors. I remember going through like my first day, and you hop on those yellow footprints and all that good stuff. But I'll share more of that stuff while I'm going through the webinar, and I look forward to seeing you guys, all right, on the next in the webinar. So I look forward to answering all the questions and doing as much as I can to help you guys with the church loan. So I look forward to you guys. Thank you so much.